In this lesson, we want to introduce the software user interface and how to work with it. After installing software, you can easily take photo or image from your monitor screen by pressing the print screen button. We open the software. As you can see, it has three main parts. You can capture an image from monitor screen in the image section, and these sections can make general setting and effects. In the video section, you can take a video from monitor screen. And in all-in-one mode, you can choose between the video and image without having to decide it at the first. For example, we want to capture an image. You can hit capture or print screen button on a keyboard. In the next step, you must select the desired area for capturing. Because in the default mode, the region mode is selected, you can easily take photos by clicking and dragging. Okay. Then you will be enter the editor mode, the editor environment, where at the top you will be find editing tool as well, and here we have lots of effects. Finally, you can export your image to any format that you want. Now we want to capture a video from the monitor screen. To do that, go to video mode and click on a capture button and select the desired area. Now we start recording by clicking on a record button. Okay, as you can see, you can record a video. After finishing, we come back to editor environment and we can make some edits on video. You can even convert the desired part of the video to GIF or GIF. In the next lessons, we will teach the different part of the software and all its setting in detail. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.